Hello everyone, welcome to the NN Classroom. Today I'd like to share with you a past paper question from 2019 in November, so time zone 0. So question number 17, relating to topic 15, the high level of the energetics, especially concepts about entropy. Let's see, which of the reaction below has the greatest increase in entropy? So our target is to find the one with the greatest increase of entropy of the system. First of all, mind you that what is meant by the increase in entropy, that means increase in the randomness. So this is the key idea of what's meant by entropy change, right? With a positive entropy change or the greatest increase in entropy, that means the situation is just increasing in chaos, getting more random. And in terms of a reaction, what's meant by getting more chaos? It just simply means the interpretation here, increase in the number of moles, and also increase in the number of moles, particularly of gas as well. Yeah, because according to the kinetic theory, gaseous state is going to be having the most random motion when you compare to liquid or solid, while solid is having the greatest organization, most ordered, in other words, right? So that's what we are now searching. Basically, from this question, the behind meaning is that we should find a reaction in which having the greatest number of increase in the moles of gas, right? Yeah, so if we see more gas, better, right? Yeah, so first of all, let's see. For A, definitely not our choice, because you can see like two of the gas now join to become a solid, right? So that's why overall we are now having a much decrease in terms of the number of gas, right? So that's why A is definitely not a good choice. Let's see for B. From one of the solid, no matter how big it is, still regarded as one unit, right? According to the stoichiometry concept. Now split it into 1, 1, and 4. So all together we have now increased for the molecularity. So it's the number of molecules from 1 to entirely 6. And also we see gas, right? Yeah, and gas, right? Yeah, so that's perfect, right? 5 of them remain referring to gas, right? So that's why B is a really, really good choice, right? And let's see for C. Double check it. For C, it is going to be a thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate that back to CO and CO2. Although, yes, true, still we see gas existing. But when you compare the option C to option B, seems like B is a better choice because it is going to be a much more bigger increment for the number of moles of gas, right? So that's why C is not taken across. Even though we will see that for C, it is going to be increase in randomness because we have more gas, but then the amount of increase is not as much as B, right? And compared for D, obviously not our choice because you see a reduction in terms of the gas molecule now back down to solid for this deposition reaction. So that's why not obviously impossible for A and D. So that's why finally the best choice with the greatest increase, right? So we will be thinking that both B and C is going to be increase in entropy, but then for B is particularly having the greatest increase. So that's why the answer goes to B.